This is exactly how I was able to fix cloud save error in Meccha Chameleon. So this is how I fixed it. So basically I had to firstly close the game here and instead go into settings on my PC. So go into settings on your PC, and then on this page we need to click on time and language, and then click on date and time here. I'm just gonna make it bigger here. And you can see there's two settings we need to check here. So for some reason, if you have this one set the time automatically on off, and set the time zone automatically on off as well, it's gonna mess with your internet settings and it's gonna give you the cloud save error as well in Meccha Chameleon, just so you know. There is one more thing you need to do is you scroll down here and click on sync now, here as you can see. So just click on sync now, and now what you need to do is also, I'm just gonna close this, we need to also restart our PC. So make sure to restart your PC and then go back and try once again. And this should now completely fix this issue for you as well.